Simple Global Search in Moodle 3.5. A new Simple Global Search, which does not require an external search engine, makes finding resources, activities and other important information much easier for teachers and students. Here, for instance, our student is searching for revision materials she has access to. She can also filter by the type of revision material. To enable this feature, administrators only need to check the box in Advanced Features and then to select Simple Search and go through the relevant steps, including indexing the site. To summarize, Simple Global Search allows a Moodle site to be searched without installing an external search engine.